So that is how you go to the moon. Wow. I want to go to the moon one day. Are you ready to go to the moon? You have completed all your training. Yes, I am. All right. You're going to go to the moon now. We're just going to show you your rocket. But first, you need to change into your suit. Aye. Whoop. I'm ready. Now, you did all your training. It took you some time. And you're ready to go. Follow me. This is your rocket. This is how it's going to look like. As you can see, we calculated the altitude you'll be going to. I don't know what that means. It's just a really smart word to use. This is your rocket. Are you ready? Yes, I am. Whoa, the moon. Whoa. Wait, this isn't the moon. This is Mars. What is this place? Oh no, this is a big problem. I gotta tell everybody. What do I do? What do I do here in Mars? Oh no, how do I get back? Let me check my contact system. No contact! This is a big problem. Oh no. Let me try to fly out. Oh, it won't work. Oh no, I'm all out of flying fuel. No. Whoa, I'll just take this and then I'm gonna ride. Whee! But, a rock. I might as well take this to Earth if I will be going there. Hey, you! Where did you say you're from? Who are you? I am an alien. That's what you Earth people call me. I am from Mars. Hey, I'm Monkey Man. What did you say you are? Who are you? We're here to destroy you. That's right. Oh no, this is a problem. We're gonna beat you up. I need to get out of here. Quick. All right, so you understood how to go to the moon now? Well, hey, Monkey Man, wake up, huh? Wait, what? I'm back in class? It was 20 years past. 20 years past. What do I do? Huh? Did I go back in time? Did I go back in time? You were having a bad dream. Don't worry. I'm going to re-explain the entire lesson to you. Oh, I'd rather get eaten by those monsters.